Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Workday how to cascade goals. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cascade goals in Workday, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your app and then log into your Workday account. Then once you're inside, search for the create goals or my goals or navigate to the performance workload. Now start by creating a goal for yourself or your team that aligns with the manager or company's objectives. Then add details like title, description, target X and metrics. Then once the goal is created, you can cascade it down by assigning the same goal to your direct reports or creating aligned goals for team members referencing the original goal. Then some Workday setups have a cascade goal button or option. Simply select the goal, then choose cascade and then pick team members to assign the goal. You can also customize details if needed for individual as well, and then goals cascaded will appear in team members Workday goals, monitor progress and update status as needed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.